Welcome to Storytime. Laura and Mike began a relationship in April 2016 after meeting on the dating app called The League. Over many months, Laura claimed a pregnancy and abortion, yet later admitted to faking it. In August, Laura claimed she had ovarian cancer and required an oophorectomy. A procedure was performed the 10th while visiting a clinic. Laura threatened self-harm, was briefly hospitalized, and her parents attributed her actions to external factors like gluten consumption or medication, while also admitting that Laura has an unusual relationship with truth. Laura berated Mike into taking a trip to Iceland, a trip that Mike would deeply regret, supported by a fellow passenger's mysterious note. In early 2017, Mike attempted to end the relationship, but attempted to salvage a friendship with Laura. The relationship was marred with more turmoil. As Laura engaged in manipulative behaviors, including threatening suicide and stalking Mike, after returning from yet another trip with Laura, Mike ended the relationship after his stepfather's death. Owens continued contact, experienced medical incidents, seizures from horse riding falls. Later, Laura claimed she reached out to the mysterious Iceland passenger for support. In January of 2018, Laura confronted Mike while on a date at a restaurant, leading to her filing a domestic violence suit, and claimed Mike physically and sexually abused her, causing permanent injuries. Later obtaining a temporary restraining order, the damage to Mike's reputation was astounding. Additionally, the impact of the false allegations caused Mike to lose out on many professional opportunities and affected his confidence in starting new personal relationships. In 2020, Laura renewed her restraining order for 5 years and later moved to Scottsdale, Arizona. 4 years after the restraining order, Laura presented a TEDx talk alleging abuse by Mike, referencing the Iceland trip and that mysterious passenger note. The note that Laura claims Mike ripped up, but not before she got a picture of it. A story that she would publish again in the 2023 version of Chicken Soup for the Soul, where the mysterious Iceland trip note was never destroyed, but hidden out of fear of violence. 2023 was an eventful year for Laura, but we will save that for another time. During another legal matter involving Laura in 2024, her claims of ovarian cancer during her relationship with Mike surfaced, which she adamantly denied. A forensic report would confirm the text messages sent from Laura to Mike supporting the claims. In a striking move, Mike appeared in Scottsdale for the 2024 hearing involving Laura. Laura's lawyer shockingly called 911 in an effort to have Mike removed from the courthouse. A move that would fail, just like Laura's latest case against her most recent victim. The judge in that case found Laura filed in bad faith, provided false testimony, and exhibited a pattern of similar behavior, referring her actions to the Maricopa County Attorney's Office. On the 30th of April, 2025, a Maricopa grand jury indicted Laura Owens on 7 felonies. Count 1, fraudulent schemes and artifices, a Class 2 felony. Count 2, forgery, a Class 4 felony. Count 3, perjury, a Class 4 felony. Count 4, perjury, a Class 4 felony. Count 5, perjury, a Class 4 felony. Count 6, perjury, a Class 4 felony. On the 9th of July, Laura filed to extend her restraining order against Mike. In August, a judge agreed to set a 2-day cause trial, the 21st of October and 22nd, 2025 in San Francisco. Laura continues to torture her victims for years after severing ties with her. She continues to provide false witness to events with the same behavior that has her facing many years in prison. Approximately 1 out of 10 men will be falsely accused of domestic violence. False allegations ruin lives with baseless claims, exploiting trust and systems meant to protect real victims. A single allegation can destroy reputations, careers, and relationships, often without evidence or due process. Friends don't let friends get lured. If you think you or a friend has been a victim of Laura, reach out. There is help. To help Mike with his legal funds, please consider donating. The link is in the description or comments. This story is to be continued.
And she lied